What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I have another review video. This is going to be another Mr. Beast chocolate bar review video, or Feastables. That is a Mr. Beast chocolate bar crunchy. I have the other three flavors. The first one is the original. Second is the milk chocolate, and the third is the These Nuts one, which is basically peanut butter. I thought it's gonna have actual peanuts in the last one, but oh, but in this one, it's the crunchy. It has milk chocolate with puffed rice. So this is what it is. There it is. So I'm gonna give it a try and see if it's good or not. So yeah. I'm not sure what other flavors there's after this, so I'm gonna have to find that out here. So you can see right here, you got the share and devour. But look in the back. It has some puffed rice in there, so you can tell that it's gonna be extremely crunchy. You can see it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna give this a try. You can see I told this out. See, it's gonna be good. Mmm. This is pretty good. The crunch is good. The taste is good. Overall, pretty solid chocolate. So it's pretty good. Out of 10, I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. I recommend trying those, and I recommend trying other flavors of the chocolate bar too. It's really good. Mr. Beast chocolate bar in general is really good. So I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. So I recommend trying it if you can. So yeah, so this is the video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.